Hey, what's up guys, Toby here. Today I will guide you through the basics of WordPress, the most popular content management system in the world. We'll cover everything you need to know to start your WordPress journey today. Choosing the right CMS is critical, and there are several good options out there, but WordPress stands out for a couple of reasons. With thousands of themes and plugins available, WordPress provides limitless customization and possibilities. WordPress has a massive online community. WordPress is designed with search engine optimization in mind, and it is SEO friendly out of the box. WordPress is an open source platform, which means it is free to use and modify. WordPress can handle a variety of sites, from small blogs to business websites, e-commerce stores, or large traffic websites. WordPress is a free and open source content management system, or CMS, that helps you to create your professional and modern website without needing to know how to code at all. WordPress makes it possible for just about anyone to create a stunning looking website without being a web design or web development expert. Over the years, WordPress evolved to a full-featured content management system. This means that it can not only be used to create blogs or simple business websites, it can be used to create online stores, portfolio, or basically any type of website you can think of. And last but not least, WordPress is easy to learn and to use. The first step is to choose a hosting provider and to register a domain name. Your domain name is basically the address of your website on the internet. There are many WordPress-friendly hosting providers available. Your hosting provider offers you a space on a physical web server where your data and your files are stored. Once you selected your preferred hosting provider and you registered your domain name, you're ready to install WordPress. Most of the hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. If your hosting provider doesn't offer a one-click installation, don't worry. Just go to wordpress.org, download your installation package, upload the files to your web server using an FTP program or using the hosting admin console of your hosting provider. Create a database and then open your domain name and follow the installation instructions. The whole process shouldn't take longer than a couple of minutes, and after WordPress is installed, you're ready to view your first WordPress website by typing your domain name into your browser. Congratulations, but we're not done yet. Now let's take a look at the WordPress backend of your website, the control center of your website. To open your WordPress backend, just simply type your domain name into the browser, add a /wp-admin. You need your username and your password to log in. Think of your dashboard as the control center of your website, allowing you to customize and manage every single aspect of your website. On the left side of your admin area, you'll find the WordPress menu. Here you'll come across various sections such as posts for editing, your media library, pages, comments, design settings, plugins, users, and other settings as well. In the settings, you can do things like set up your WordPress website's title, change the language, or set up your WordPress homepage. You also have the option to hide your website from search engines until you've finished editing it. In the permalink settings, you can modify your URL structure from a parameter-driven URL to a search engine-friendly and readable URL structure. Under the post section, you can create or edit posts using the WordPress editor. You can add new blocks like headings, paragraphs, or images, and you can maintain the content for your first post and publish it via the Publish button, or preview it using the Preview link. Posts are typically used for blogs or news articles which are displayed in a chronological order and can be categorized or tagged. In your media library, you can upload items like images or graphics into your WordPress installation. Simply select an image, drag it into the drag and drop area, and the file will automatically be uploaded. In the page section, you see all your pages. Pages are static content such as About Us or Contact Us page, which are not tied to a specific time and do not use tags or categories. In the comments section, you can find and manage comments that visitors have left on your posts. In the appearance section, you will find all your installed themes. You can activate a theme, or you can simply install a new theme by browsing through the available themes in the list. Or simply search for a specific theme using the search box in the top right corner. In the plugin section, you will find all the extensions for your WordPress installation. Here you can browse through the existing plugins or simply search for a specific plugin in the search field. You can easily install a new plugin by clicking on the Install Now button, and a final click on Activate will activate the plugin. In the user section, you can manage your existing users or also create new ones. Depending on the theme you've installed, you also find other menu items in the appearance section as well, such as Customize or Menus. Under Customize, you can make settings that affect your theme. In the menu section, you can create your navigation menus and fill them with content. After you saved your menu, you can specify a location where the menu should be displayed on your website. And that's about it. These are the most crucial functions in your WordPress backend. Themes play a fundamental role in the appearance and functionality of your WordPress website. A theme is basically a collection of templates and resources like style sheets that define the layout and design of your website. To choose your theme, consider what kind of website you want to create and what kind of features do you need. Do you want to create a blog or a business website or maybe an online store? Because themes are created with different purposes in mind, and you don't want to get to the point where you need to change your theme after you developed your website, because this can result in a lot of problems, and this is not a way you want to go. You can find free themes in the WordPress directory. Just simply go to Design and Themes and browse to the directory, or you can buy a premium theme from a marketplace. Now let's get in touch with page builders. The standard WordPress editor gives you the flexibility to create a website with content and a layout without needing to know how to code. It uses a grid system which ensures that your website will be responsive and will look good on different devices. Some themes come with a built-in page builder, or they simply use the WordPress page builder, or you can choose to use a standalone page builder like Oxygen, Breakdance, Bricks, or Elementor, which will give you a little bit more control and flexibility of your design and layout. Now let's talk about plugins. When you think about your website as a mobile phone, then plugins are like apps that you install to create or add extra functions or features to your website. Plugins are really powerful because they expand and add functionalities to your WordPress website. There are thousands of free plugins available for your WordPress website. You can install them directly over your WordPress backend, and you can browse them in the WordPress plugin directory. Some manufacturers offer a paid version as well, but be aware you should only include plugins into your WordPress installation when you really need them, because adding a lot of plugins can result in a slow website. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing a WordPress website for search engines to get more traffic from them. WordPress is very SEO friendly out of the box, but there are several ways to further improve your website with a plugin like Rank Math or SEO Press. Regular WordPress maintenance is very important to keep your website up to date, secure, and running. WordPress regularly releases updates and bug fixes for the core system, and the plugin manufacturers releases updates as well. So make sure that you update your WordPress environment from time to time, that your website will be future proven and running without any problems. And that wraps up our deep dive into the WordPress basics. I hope you liked this one. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.